Hello, Damilola. How you did? Come. Wait. See, I tell you that they say I don't want to kiss you. Eh? You they force me make I kiss you. I say I don't want. You say I must kiss you. You see what you cough? You don't give me cough. And I say I don't want to kiss you because you get cough. Eh? I said I don't want to kiss you. You say no, baby, for you to know you love me, for you to prove you love me, kiss me. I said no.
Jesus!
Now I can't manage kiss you. Can't carry cough, can't give me. Now God go punish you. I said now God go punish. Now God go punish you, Damilola. Now God go punish you for this call. Now God, I go punish you for this suffering where you put me so. Now God, now big thing I go for break your neck. See, make I tell you, now caterpillar, caterpillar will carry a load of Smith. Now I go jump scatter you. You know go well with you for this thing.